Hello. It is 8:54 a.m. Morning low is 41, and this is Connie and Fish Morning Radio on 95.7 The Mix, and here they are, Fish, Christine, and Steve.
Just because I was afraid of that.
Yeah.
Because kids can be kids, right?
Yep.
So now it's become a dilemma in our subdivision.
And here is the morning view today. Yeah, you can see that the leaves are sprouting up on the trees today. And it's really, really pretty outside today. I am Carrie Knopf, your host. Good morning. I saw this this morning, and I've been craving it, and I decided to improvise. And the reason why I'm in this video is to explain what I did. I decided I did not know if I wanted pancakes or cereal today. So I took some pancakes and I put on some butter with some Crunch Berries, Captain Crunch cereal, and some raspberries. And it looks really, really good. Sometimes you gotta get creative with what you have, because like what Daniel Striped Tiger, it's a kid's show on PBS, his mother says you gotta try new food because it might taste good. And so here is the result. This is what I'm having for breakfast this morning. And we have Mr. Fork today. This is actually Captain Crunch Crunch Berries with some raspberries. And as you can see, we all know what frozen pancakes look like today. But I also did some cooking ahead of time. I cooked up some leftover chicken with some sausage because we had some macaroni and cheese for lunch, and we have a little bit left over. So you can have like macaroni and cheese and chicken and sausage for lunch, or dinner for that matter. Sometimes I like to cook ahead, because you never know what life is going to bring you. So, this is what I'm having for breakfast today. And this here is the sausage and the chicken that I cooked up today. And here is the cereal box. I'm not going to shoot the other side because I have plans to use the for another idea, but that is the cereal that I used today. You know what? I'm going to do a taste test here with everything. Just let me put this on pause for a little bit. Give it one last good view today. And here we go. Well, like I said, you gotta try new food. Here we go. Oh my God. The butter that soaks in to the Captain Crunch berries and the Captain Crunch really, really, really brings out the flavor. Oh my gosh, this was absolutely wonderful. I am Carrie Knopf, your host. Temperature is supposed to be a high of 48 today. And I will see everybody next time. Bye-bye. Well, yeah. Well, that's how. I'll get that part there. You can actually see how thick they are. Well, I'm gonna go and finish up this scrumptious breakfast, and I will see everybody next time. Okay? It is 9:02 a.m. Everybody, have a great day. Bye bye.